Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you some spiritual and physical uses of the bitter cola. So what you see on the screen is what we call the bitter cola. Scientifically, it is called the Garcinia cola. The Hausa people who normally sell it call it the Michigoro. So if you go to those Hausa people who sell the things like date fruit, then tiger nuts, they can easily give you the bitter cola or the Michigoro. Please, this is different from cola nuts and it is also different from wonderful cola. So just insist that you want the bitter cola. This one is very bitter and then it has brown coat. Though it is very bitter, but it has so many medicinal uses. So in this video, we are coming to talk about the physical uses as well as the spiritual uses. And then you know that though it is bitter, you are always supposed to be chewing some because it has a lot of things inside. If you have malaria and you chew it, the malaria will go instantly. Let's start with the physical uses of the bitter cola. So physically, you can use it for snake bites. If you are in the farm or somewhere and then the snake bites you, and then immediately you chew the bitter cola, it will neutralize the poison. This one neutralizes poison, and then anything that is not good for the body, the moment you take bitter cola, that thing will leave the body. So this one, it is always advisable that you don't chew it when you are taking some serious medication, or if you are taking some medicine, you don't chew the bitter cola immediately after taking that medicine, else the medicine will not work. So please, if you are traveling to somewhere you are going to eat, keep bitter cola in your pocket. After eating, you just chew some. Sometimes you go to a place and then by all means you are supposed to eat. When they serve you, you cannot say that you will not eat. So after eating, just chew the bitter cola. Always make sure that you have bitter cola in your pocket because of a whole lot of things. And then if you have it in your pocket too, no evil spirit can tempt you. So please always keep some in your pocket. It will save your life spiritually and then physically. If you think that you have been poisoned, just chew it. If you are always poisoned in even your dream, when you chew the bitter cola, it will neutralize the poison. So it is very good for snake bites. Apart from snake bites, let's look at ceased menstruation. If you are a woman and then your menstruation have ceased for some time, you are just supposed to cut some bitter colas. The first thing you have to do is that you peel the brown skin or the brown coat from it, then you cut into pieces. You soak in water for 7 days, and then you drink 1 cup in the morning, first thing, and then last thing at night. When you do this for 2 weeks, your menstruation will come. And then, if you also have painful menstruation, you are supposed to chew the bitter cola. So if you chew the bitter cola, it is going to ensure that your menstruation will no longer be painful. So if you are a woman and then you experience painful menstruation, kindly ensure that you always chew the bitter cola. And then if you have diabetes too, and then you are on diabetes medication, you should also be chewing bitter cola regularly. And then it is going to control the sugar level for you. And then if you have stomach ulcer, for this one, you are going to cut a number of bitter colas. The bitter cola comes in sizes, so you yourself, you are supposed to use your discretion to look at the bitter cola that you have. Then you cut about 10 or 15 and then you soak in a bottle of gin. You are supposed to soak it for about 7 days, and then you take a shot before meal in the morning and evening, and then the stomach ulcer will just leave you. And then if you have quick ejaculation, for those people who have quick ejaculation, low sperm count, and then those things, you are supposed to soak bitter cola in. You are supposed to soak it with cola nut, and then you are to soak it in coconut water, or you can also soak it in gin for about 7 days, and then you take 1 shot before action, and then you see that the quick ejaculation will leave you. For those people who also don't have quick ejaculation but they want to last very long, and then for the woman to see that yes, they are also there, this one there is no side effect. What you are going to do is that you get about 14 seeds of alligator pepper, and then you also get 1 ginger, and then you get 1 bitter cola. You try and then chew this together, you drink some water on it, 5 minutes before the action, and then you see that the woman will see that yes, you are there. So for this one, this is a quick method for you to boost your energy and then to also last very long in bed. This one is going to help you to um, perform very, very, very in bed. This is not for those people who are saying that they have problem. For those people who have problem and then their problem is very serious, they are to boil it, or they are supposed to soak in coconut water with cola nut. So this one, you get some number of cola nut and then you also get a number of the bitter cola. You either soak in gin or coconut water and then you drink. You can also boil it before you drink. Anyhow you do it, it is going to help you. And then if you have a stubborn infection, you can also soak it in gin and then you take a shot before you eat in the morning and then before you eat in the evening, and then it is going to clear all the infection from your body. If you also want to use it to cleanse your system, if you think that your body needs some cleansing, what you do is that you boil the bitter cola and then you drink. You strain it and then you throw the bitter cola away after boiling, and then you now drink 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening, and then your body is going to be clean. So this one, you are going to drink it for a week. So after boiling, you can keep it inside the fridge and then you'll be drinking. You can just keep it inside a gallon or anything that has cover and then you'll be drinking. And then for pregnant women who always want to cleanse their body, this one you chew it, and then you see that when the moment you start chewing, you'll be very thirsty, so it will demand a lot of water. So as you drink the water, you'll be urinating and it will cleanse your body. It is also very good for nausea in women. If you are a pregnant woman and you feel nauseous, you are just supposed to be chewing bitter cola regularly and it is going to help you. And then also, if you have stroke, you can chew the bitter cola with scent leaves, or what we call nunum, or you can decide to soak it. So you get about 41 bitter colas, and then you also get a handful of the scent leaf, and then you soak it inside water, or you can soak it inside alcohol, or you can decide to soak it inside coconut water for about 3 days. And then you drink 1 glass in the morning, and then 1 glass in the afternoon, and then 1 glass in the evening. Your testimony about stroke will shock everybody. And then also, if you have poor eyesight or you always have problem with eyesight, what you are going to do is that you will be chewing bitter cola regularly. You can also decide to soak the bitter cola in clean water, you sieve it, and then you just be applying a drop of the water on your eyes, and then the bitter cola is going to clear all the cataract or any problem that you have in your eyes. But please, for this one, if you start, you see that it is very, very pepperish, but as time goes on, your eyes will be very, very free. And then if you also have a stubborn cough, you can just grind or blend, or you can do anything at all that will make the bitter cola a powder or paste. Whether you have a machine to grind it or you are going to grind on a stone, you can do that. And then you mix the paste or the powder with original honey or pure honey, and then you'll be taking 1 spoon in the morning and evening. And then that stubborn cough, whether in your child who is from 2 years going, or you yourself, the stubborn cough or the pneumonia will be a thing of the past. So please kindly ensure that when you have these problems, you be using the bitter cola. The bitter cola is actually good for all these problems. Even if you chew it every day, if you make sure that every day you chew it, it is going to give you all these benefits that I've mentioned. Even if you don't prepare it in the special ways that I mentioned, it is going to help you. Now let's look at the spiritual uses of the bitter cola. Okay, so assuming that you go to your shop or workplace or wherever, and then you think that, or you see that you have stepped on a charm. Sometimes some people will say that the moment they close from work, they have realized that they are feeling some pepperish things around their feet. So it means they have stepped on something, or their instinct is telling them that they have stepped on something they have stepped on a charm. If you have that problem, just pray over bitter kola and then you chew it. It is going to neutralize all the poison or whatever the person has sent through the charm to leave your body, and then that charm is going back to the person. You can even decide to chew it with alligator pepper, and then you just say that all the evil plans by the enemy to bring those charm into your life should go back to sender, and then it is going to go to the person, and then those charm is going to leave you. And then for those people who always eat in dreams, if you are always eating in your dream, make sure that you chew bitter kola and then alligator pepper before sleeping. If you don't have alligator pepper, you can decide to chew the bitter kola only, and then you will not eat in the dream again. If you also eat in the dream, like if you don't have the bitter kola and then you dream that you have eaten the dream, you just have to get bitter kola and chew, and then all those spiritual poison will leave you. So this is good for people who think that they have been spiritually poisoned. If you think that you have been spiritually poisoned all the time, get bitter kola. You say your intentions on it, that you are going to use this to neutralize any spiritual poison in your body. So if the moment you chew it, it is going to neutralize it. Regularly, just be chewing this, and then all those spiritual poison in your body that is always giving you sicknesses that you have been moving from one doctor to the other will just leave you. Please, this is very serious. So kindly ensure that you do it. It is going to neutralize the poison. The bitter kola, I told you that if you take medicine and if you even chew it, the medicine is not going to work. So anything at all that is in your body that you don't want, if you chew the bitter kola, it is going to leave your body. So please, kindly ensure that you make use of it. And then if you also have a shop or a car, and then you don't have sales, or people are not patronizing your car, or if you are selling online, people are not buying, you can get 7 bitter colas and then you soak it in some water. Then for 4 days, you are going to soak it for 4 days in water. Then you sprinkle it on the things you sell, or you sprinkle it in your car, or you sprinkle it in your shop, and then people will just come and then patronize whatever you are doing. And then if you also sense negative energy in your home, or you think that there are certain things in your home tormenting you, like sometimes you hear strange sounds and stuff in your house, you just have to soak bitter kola, and then you just have to sprinkle it in your house, or you can decide to grind it and then you sprinkle it in your house. You are going to experience those things no more. And then also snakes and other things, evil animals around your home will just leave you. So if you are seeing some strange animals in your house, just grind bitter kola and sprinkle, or you soak it, then sprinkle the water in the house, and all those things will leave immediately. And then if you also lose money all the time, some people, they always lose money. They will tell you that they stay alone, but they always lose money. So if that happens to you, you are supposed to keep 3 bitter colas and then 7 alligator pepper seeds inside the money. So you just have to tie 3 bitter colas and then 7 alligator pepper seeds inside anything like a polythene bag or something, and then you put it inside your money, and then those things will not come. But if you are a woman in your menstruation, don't do these spiritual works that I'm talking about. It is not going to work for you. And then if you also wake up with marks, there are some people, they always wake up with marks on their body. So if you are such that you always wake up with marks on your body, what you do is that when you wake up with a mark on your body, just put 7 bitter colas in water, add sea salt to it, soak it for some hours, and then use it to bath. And then make sure that you also apply or you wash the area with some of the water very well. Then all those marks will leave your body, and then those evil arrows will not come to you again. There are a lot of things we can say about the bitter kola, but for time's sake, please, let's end it here and then continue later on. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more directions, because this year we are not coming to play. So there will be a lot of spiritual directions on this channel. Then there will be a lot of things or remedies on the channel. So please kindly make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You follow me on Facebook, and you also follow the Remedies on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.